Hello everyone and welcome to the Reverse Engineer. Today we have a really interesting piece we're going to look at. This is a fire alarm pull station, so we're going to open it up and figure out how it works. To activate one of these units, you normally pull on this lever, which breaks the glass rod, triggering the fire alarm. Okay, so I've just removed the glass rod so that we can see how this mechanism works. When you pull on this tab, you'll hear a little click, and you'll notice that you can't push it back in. So that's a really interesting mechanism, this locking mechanism. So let's take a look at how it works. You'll notice there's a little place for a screwdriver at the top. We just turn the screwdriver and that unlocks the fire alarm. Once it's open, you can tell that there's actually not a lot to this device. We have a simple toggle switch back here, which is what triggers the fire alarm. As you can tell, when this pull station is closed or off, the toggle switch is in the downwards position. When you pull on the tab, you'll notice there's a little lever right in here, which moves the toggle switch upwards, activating the fire alarm. Okay, let's take a closer look at this mechanism. You'll notice it has this crescent shape. That's normally where the toggle switch sits when it's in the off position. When you pull the lever, this mechanism moves upwards, moving the switch into the on position. Once this has been pulled, you'll notice you can't push it back in all the way. So why is that? Well, it's because this top part of that crescent actually pushes right against the toggle switch. And so if you're trying to push it back in, it's actually pushing down on the toggle switch. To turn the toggle switch off normally, you have to move it from the top. And so by having this crescent push against the toggle switch, it prevents it from being turned off. Another interesting item is this lever used to replace the glass rod. You pull the lever out, put your new replacement rod in here, and then push the lever back in, which locks it in place. When you then close the fire alarm box back up, that is actually locked in place like so, preventing the glass rod from coming out. So what I've done now, I've reset the toggle switch into its neutral position, closed it back up, and that's how you would reset a fire alarm pull station. I'd like to produce more videos like this for you, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to my channel, and I should have more content coming soon.